Alright guys, we're trying to beat the heats. It's already 91 degrees outside and stuck kami dito sa traffic. Hindi namin alam kung gaano kahaba. So, mahaba pula. So, we'll see. Tignan natin sa likod. Tignan mo kung sino yung ano dyan. Anong nangyayari dyan sa likod.
Si Turdy, busy. May hawak na french fries, water, and watching TV. Si Tia tulog. Nabusog sa In-N-Out, nakatulog. Pampatulog pala yung In-N-Out, Dad. Tulog, oh. Katatapos na kumain.
Napagod yan sa ano, kalat kay Flappy.
Oo. Malayo din daw siya.
Kaya, napagod si Grandma, kakahanap kay Flappy. Mainit kanina, naghanap kami kay Flappy, hindi namin na camera, but kwento ko na lang. Kasi kumain kami noon, hindi namin alam yung garage is open, and then he's outside. We didn't know that he can go far kasi matanda na siya, you know, may gamot, maintenance. Saka frail na siya. Usually hindi siya lumalayo, usually dyan lang siya sa kapitbahay, biglang papasok ka noon. Pero this time ibang klase. Iba na talaga pag may demensya. You know, kung saan na pupunta, siguro mga 2 miles away sa bahay yung pinuntahan niya. So yun, yeah, luckily may nakakita and then sinurrender dun sa pet control. Ang idea ni Tita Cecil is to call, which is the best thing to do. Kasi nga, pag may nakakitang stray dog or stray animals, nire-report nila and then sinusurrender. So we did call and then finally, luckily, God bless, na nakita namin. Na-delay kami ng almost 2 hours sa aming supposed to be 10 a.m. departure. But it's okay. Siguro it happens for a reason. And you know, yun, nakita namin si Flappy ngayon. He's tired. He is taking a nap right there.
So,
yeah,
we gave him water.
He was so thirsty. Medyo may dumi yung kanyang jacket, so it looks like he went under the car, something like that. But luckily he didn't get run over or got hit or eaten by bigger dogs. So somebody's watching him. So he's gonna go back to Seattle. I
think Charlie was watching him over him.
And then this is his last California trip kasi he's so old na. I don't think he can travel na next time, or maybe he's with Charlie na next time. But his memories will remain kasi nga we're gonna make him digital frame na may maraming digital photos and videos niya kasama ng family niya, namin, and then lalagyan namin yung urn niya doon sa bahay. Meron siyang section doon. So his memories will be with us forever. Yeah. Okay, guys. So yun lang, report is still stuck in traffic right there.
Mahaba pa yan.
Mahaba pa, sabi ng co-pilot ko.
Mahaba, oh.
Mahaba. Pulado eh. Yeah, so maraming lumuluwas, maraming bumabalik. Saturday, summer. Today's Saturday, so ang arrival namin expectedly before 12 midnight. Maybe sooner than that, we don't know. We'll see.
God will lead us the way.
We will, yeah, no matter what, we will
Get there.
Yeah, we will get there, and then Mommy will call the hotel so we can reserve the one on the first floor. Para mas easier. She's gonna call right now. Dito legal yung motor, just swerving like that, cutting through the cars. Sa Washington, it's illegal to do that. Yeah. So here, Grande Vista, we're still on I-5 interstate, and this is I think we're in downtown right now, downtown LA, in the middle of downtown LA. Yeah. Thanks God, walang protest dito. Nainitan yung mga ating rioters. Yeah. Siguro pag tinanay na may heat stroke pa sila. So next time na lang. So yun guys. We will see you later. Ayan ang aming target na sasakyan kapag kompleto na sila 30. Tingnan nyo, 15-seater yan. Tapos may bagahe pa sa likod.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah. Maganda. Yeah. Sacramento. 5 hours pa rin pala. Hindi ka magala.
Hindi naman magalaw.
5 hours pa rin kami guys. Okay. So we got 5 minutes of video na, almost 6. Yung camera natin medyo mainit na. Kasi ang weather mainit din. So okay. I'm gonna turn this off and see you guys later.